into 1.5 mount. You're going to do like we did in the last trick, where you're going to dump it off and undercut it. But instead of getting it out of the mount, you're instead going to cross your arms, okay? Then you're going to go like that, okay? So you basically have your arms crossed, and it's the front string you're just going to hop over. And when you uncross your arms, you're going to be into a mount that looks like that, which is basically just a trapeze. You pick the string off like that. Then you're going to hop up, undercut, like that. Then you're going to cross your arms like this, with non-dominant being over dominant. Hit the front string, drop the front string off of this finger, and then when you uncross your arms, back into a 1.5 mount. Once you're into that 1.5 mount, you're going to go over like this, back into that little trapeze, and you pick off the string. You're going to cross your arms and do the motion as in his tension hook, where it looks like that. Okay? So cross, and uncross. Okay? Then you're going to go over into a trapeze and brother mount. Okay? Then you're going to go into an undermount. Like, you're going to undercut it. Sorry, you're going to overcut it, which is basically just getting it into an undermount. Okay? So, like that, overcut, and like that. Okay? Now you're going to swing over. 1, 2, and you're back into a 1.5 mount. So you get into that 1.5 mount, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, like that. And then you're into an undermount, which you can bind from. But I'm also going to teach you his bind. The bind looks like that. Like that. So what you're going to do is going to go into an undermount, swing over, sort of like this arm mount, but you're not going to go into it, you're just going to hold it. Then you're going to perform a wrap around the bearing. Okay? So what that's going to look like is you're going to just wrap it. So just dip your hand under like that, and then you just throw it up, and it should bind. Now, of course, when I say it should, it normally, if it doesn't, that means it's spinning too slowly to bind. So, like that, like that. Okay? There's also another variation of this trick with when he goes into that hypnotize the top string, like this. All that fancy stuff. Once he gets into this 1.5 mount, he goes like this. Okay? Now he's into the arm mount, and then he does that. Okay, I'm going to teach you that. So you're going to an arm mount. Okay? Now you're going to, go into 1.5 mount, not an arm mount. Then you're going to go swing over. You're going to go once, twice, but the second time you're also going to swing over. Okay? So once, once, twice, and swing over. Okay, and you're right in there. Now you're in that mount. Okay? Okay, and you're just gonna do the same thing. Bind like that. Okay? The way you get into that bind is the momentum that you get from this. Like that. You're gonna swing like that. It swings over like that. Okay? If you don't have any momentum, it won't work. I mean, it will work, but it's gonna look really, really sloppy. And it still might not work. Okay, so you're just gonna want to get this part down. Just want to get that bind down, and also if you're gonna want to learn this part down.